Welcome to Reality of Things. Over the past few years, Southern California has seen a significant decline in rainfall, and with it, the spectacular wildflower blooms that typically blanket the region each spring have become a rare treat. Antelope Valley, once known for its dazzling April displays of golden poppies and vibrant wildflowers, has remained uncharacteristically quiet once again this year. However, if you're a wildflower lover eager for even a glimpse of spring color, there's still hope. Right now, the northern hills of Elizabeth Lake in Los Angeles County are putting on a modest but beautiful show. While this year's bloom doesn't compare to the unforgettable super blooms of Antelope Valley from a few years ago, it's still a peaceful and beautiful escape, well worth the drive. There's even a trail you can hike to the top for panoramic views, and with plenty of scenic spots along the way, you'll find lots of opportunities for great photos, all without stepping on or disturbing the delicate wildflowers. There's a dirt road just off Elizabeth Lake Road that leads to the top of the hills, offering stunning views of the surrounding lakes and valleys. Perfect if you're up for an off-road drive. The route is incredibly scenic, with beautiful wildflowers lining both sides of the road and down the hills. However, it can be rough and potentially dangerous, so a high-clearance vehicle is recommended. Here are the reality of things. The best spot for the most blooms is at the corner where Elizabeth Lake Road meets Munn's Ranch Road. Just like many other spots that go viral on Instagram and TikTok, especially since this is currently one of the few places in California with significant blooms, you can expect crowds to rush in. To avoid peak foot traffic, consider going early in the morning. You'll likely enjoy peace and quiet. However, keep in mind that the poppies will still be closed at that time. These vibrant flowers typically don't open until the sun is out and the temperature warms up, usually after 10 a.m. and into the early afternoon.